Hello, everyone. I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to What Makes This Design Great, another episode here at KBIS 2025. And I am at Gatco's booth with Robert, and this is our second video with him. So we're going to kind of follow up from what we saw earlier to the other options that you have here in these
Absolutely.
great designs. So let's talk about these here.
Awesome. Thank you. Well, yeah, to complement some of the grab bars that we were talking about, we have full suite collections, everything from the robe hooks to the towel bars and mirrors and other complementary hardware items that create this kind of cohesive complementary look. So these are all new collections for 2025 that are either in production currently or we have just received them. So over the next couple months, everything will be in stock. And we have 4 new collections. Glam 2, which uses the oversized tubing, big 7/8 bar to make kind of a nice bold statement. Our lock collection, and it shows kind of the inspiration from all the different collections that we do. And we have this interlocking concept, kind of like a timepiece there. The Gibson, inspired by guitars and musical instruments. And our Beverly collection, which is sort of a blend of like old world and modern decor in polished nickel also.
That's exactly what I thought about this. And I was going to point this one out because I said I really like this because it looks like almost traditional, but not.
Exactly.
It's like it has a mix of, I mean, if people would maybe call that transitional.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, some people would call that transitional, I guess, but I feel this is really nice because you do have that. If somebody doesn't like a really modern look
Exactly.
and they want to upgrade their very traditional look,
Yeah. Yep.
this is a very nice. I like the detail on this. This is
Well,
really
thank
nice.
you. Yeah, that's one I'm very proud of. I think it kind of has this funny terminology of like being traditional and new at the same time. So like a new traditional is sort of the aesthetic that we're going where it doesn't look so dated, but it has kind of a more maximalist versus a minimalist style.
Yeah, that's great. Well, thank you for showing me these. It's amazing. You can check out Gatco. We'll put their Instagram here so you can take a look at them, all their products that they have. So it was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nadine.
Stay tuned for the next episode.